Today is a big day for XRP and the crypto community as a whole. Last night we had the government shutdown come to an end, and today, when the New York Stock Exchange opens, we got the first XRP spot ETF from Canary Capital going live on the NASDAQ. And a lot of people are wondering, well, why isn't the price being affected? Well, it is, but we got to take a look at the charts here and figure out possibly where this is going. So it's sitting at about 248, 249 so far this morning. And if you look, we are in a nice bull flag pattern here, still holding steady. Don't worry about this scam wick from October 10th. The whole market got affected that day, and that's to be ignored whenever it comes to the pattern that we're currently in right now. So we had a previous high of about 365 and a nice low here of about 220 when it comes to daily close on any of these candles. So looking here, we have a nice, what I would call either a W pattern. Try and draw this out for you guys here. Use my highlighter. Got a nice boom, boom, W, double bottom. This is extremely bullish. So looking at that on the daily, if you take a look down here at the stochastic RSI, here's our stochastic, this indicator right here in the middle that I use. Go ahead and remove that. It looks like on the daily here, it wants to roll over. We do have a higher low forming. I'm not ready to call that bullish divergence yet, but looking at this chart, this is one of the more bullish setups in all of crypto right now when it comes to the fundamentals, technical analysis. So last night, government shutdown comes to an end. You see this nice green candle here all the way on the right. It bounced right off of the support line that I have drawn here, and it bounced up, and now it's cooling off a little bit. You can see I have these two dashed lines running from left to right. One's at about 241, and the other one up above is about 257, which is a nice area of resistance. As you can see here, I'm gonna try and draw this out better for you guys. Here's another highlighter. Got boom, rejected, tried to come over, went right back down, rejected. So with all that being said, we gotta stay patient, wait and see what happens here. I'm not saying this is definitely not financial advice, but I'm not saying this is the time to be buying or going long or going short or nothing like that. It's a good time to wait and see what happens. Let's take a look on the 4-hour here. Yeah, I mean, it's showing some nice strength. So you got the stochastic pushing up. It's around 70 right now, which is good. The MACD, which is the bottom indicator here, the money flow is in the positive and looks like it wants to make a move to the north. So this is something here that if we get over that 250 mark, the only other line of resistance is the top of the bigger bull flag channel here, which is going to be around 270. We get over that, you're going to see this price, maybe bounce around a little bit, come up. It might get rejected, try again, come up, break through, come back and retest, and then we're off to the races. Now that could take a few days to play out, but looking at this chart, XRP has a lot of positive things working in its favor. These green candles from last night could possibly be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, where yes, we had the government shutdown happen, so it could be a buy the news there. But you got the XRP ETF set to go live today, and a lot of people were anticipating that. So that could be the catalyst where it could be, boom, you got a pump, and then you might have another pullback down to this lower channel, or this lower line of support that I have drawn right here. And at that point, if it bounces off there, it might be a decent buying opportunity. Once again, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm just basically laying out for you what I am seeing here on the charts. And this could possibly turn into, it's already kind of looking like it on the 4 hour, a rising wedge, which most of the time is bullish and tends to break to the upside. So we've got a lot of things to look out for here. It's, like I said, one of the nicer looking charts. Full transparency, XRP is my largest holding. This, along with like Ethereum, BitTensor Tau, these are some of the better looking charts in crypto right now, and where I'd be focusing my attention. It's always nice to look and see if you can accumulate things while they're at the bottom. Looking like down here would be a great buy. Here again, another good buy. But you got to use your indicators, like the stochastic, like the relative strength index, which I do not have on here. I pull that up when I really need it. And then you got the MACD, which is more of a lagging indicator, but it is showing that money flow is heading in the right direction. So today's a big day. We'll see what happens with this ETF coming out, and Canary Capital going on many podcasts saying they think it's going to double what Solana did in the first day, and could bring in anywhere from 5 to 10 billion in the first, I can't remember if the guy said it was a week or a month, but that's a lot of money. So institutions are going to be pushing this very hard, and we could see some very positive price action here just off that alone. So that's all I got for the XRP chart for today. Like and subscribe, comment down below if there's any project you specifically want me to cover. God bless.